Hi everyone, here we've got REALME Narzo 10 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So firstly we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll a little and find sound and vibration. Now let's scroll down again, and as you can see here we've got whole ringtone section, and we can change the ringtone for calls, which is the very first option, for the messages and for notifications. So let me show you how to do it using the ringtone. So for the calls, here we've got the permission request, so just tap on allow, and as you can see here we've got the full list of defaultly installed ringtones from which we can choose. What's more, we can tap on select from files, and then we will be transferred, again tap on allow, and then we will be transferred to our own storage, and if you will have any compatible files, for example downloaded, they will appear right here and you will be able to choose them and set them as a ringtone. But let me get back, and if you'd like to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, simply tap on it and you will be able to check how it sounds. And if you are happy with your choice, all you have to do is simply make sure that this option is marked like here and get back. As you can see, it immediately appears right here, so it means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone whilst all incoming calls. Obviously it will work the same for the messages and the notifications, so after tapping on it you will have to allow. Here we've got the full list of the ringtones. Here we can select the files. All you have to do is simply tap on the one you'd like to use, make sure that it is marked and get back. And the same situation. So actually that's all. This is how to change the ringtone in your REALME Narzo 10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.